So you have the farmhouse coffee table from Tribesigns. In this video, I'm going to go over what the assembly process was like for this and also answer some other questions like, do you need coasters on this table? Just hopefully help you out with your purchase. But I've had this thing together and I've been using it and I have been loving it. As for the assembly time, very, very easy to assemble. Everything was nicely labeled for me. Nothing was confusing on the instructions. And all you need was a screwdriver and they gave me that. So I had it together all by myself. If you have somebody helping you, obviously it's going to be a little bit quicker. Took me a little bit of over an hour to do. And there was at one point where they say you needed two people. Now, personally, I didn't need a second person, but it would have made it a little bit easier. But you can definitely do it by yourself, but you have somebody helping you, obviously, it's to make it easier and quicker. And now for the second question, which was, do you need coasters? So this is a waterproof wood, so you would not have to use coasters. So it's totally up to you if you want to use coasters, but they do say it's waterproof, and I've had no issues with rings or anything like that on it. So I think it's totally up to you. If you like coasters, I'd use them. Otherwise, they say it should be good without coasters. But overall, I am loving this. As you can see, I have a bunch of pieces of furniture around it, so I needed something that was bigger. This is exactly that. I knew the size of it when I bought it, but once I got it all, put together, I was actually surprised at the size of it, which is perfect for me. I think it fits my room amazing, looks great, super easy to assemble, and it is a perfect height for my couches as well. So I am very, very happy with this. I have a lot of Tribesigns stuff. I bought their brand before. I've always liked it. This is no different. So I think as soon as you get this thing together, it looks like you bought it out of some high-end furniture place, which is what I like. So very, very happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.